Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. And on this video, we are going to explore some of its health features, particularly the heart rate monitoring. And we also have here the blood oxygen monitoring. So we will check this. We will check the details on the support app, as well as we will compare the results with our fingertip pulse oximeter. So if you are interested to see the results, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the heart rate monitoring function of our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So let's put this aside. If you're going to check the heart rate and you're not wearing it, it will alert you that you are not wearing the fitness tracker properly. The same with our blood oxygen monitoring here. Right? For the support app, so we have here the health section. So we have the heart rate. So we do have the graph here. We also have the blood oxygen monitoring. For the settings, we're going to go to the device section and fitness and health. We have the settings here for the heart rate. So you can choose to have a smart continuous monitoring, 1 minute continuous monitoring, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. Okay, to be able to see if the heart rate is the same with our fingertip pulse oximeter, let's set it to around 10 minutes, I think. So we have here high heart rate alert. Let's turn this on. We'll put it to 110 beats per minute. For the low, we have 40 beats per minute. So continuous monitoring for 10 minutes. We also have here the blood oxygen monitoring. You can set to all day tracking, but of course it will deplete your battery fast. We also have here the blood oxygen alert. Okay, when all day tracking, you can activate the blood oxygen alert. So that's it for our details here, or settings for our heart rate and blood oxygen. Next, let's start and have a demo of the heart rate monitoring as well as blood oxygen, and we'll have a simultaneous demo with a fingertip pulse oximeter. Alright, so let's begin and check our heart rate with the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So let's go with the heart rate here. It's now measuring. Let's wait for the results here. Again, this is 10 minutes continuous monitoring of our heart rate. So 73, 74, 75, 76. So it is in the range of 70 to 76, I think. So let's check with our fingertip pulse oximeter. Later on, we'll check our heart rate with our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 also in a separate video. So now it's increasing. So let's check here. 76, 74, 75 here, 74, you have 71 and 74. So almost the same here. 72, 73, the same. 74, the same. It's now has the same results. 73 and 74. As you can see here, they have the same results for our heart rate. We have 77, 75, 74, 75. We have 72. So it drops to 69 here. And again, 72, 74, 71. So they almost have the same results here. Our fingertip pulse oximeter here is a bit slow, but as you can see, they always have, most of the time they have the same results for the heart rate or the beats per minute. And we have 98% for the blood oxygen. 77, 73. 73, 75, 74. Okay, so that's it for our heart rate, and as you can see, we almost have the same results with our fingertip pulse oximeter when it comes to the heart rate. So we have settings also here. We have the graph. We have the highs and lows here, 80 and 40. Next, let's check the blood oxygen monitoring. So after the heart rate, let's check out our blood oxygen. So let's have the SpO2 monitoring and let's measure. Let's wait for the results. While we are waiting, let's check also our blood oxygen with our fingertip pulse oximeter. Again, previously we have 98%. Let's check with this one. We have 99%. It may take some time for our blood oxygen, so let's wait. It's now calibrating. And we have 96. We have 99 here. Again. So we have 98%. So let's wait for the results of our Smart Band 10. Again, 98%. We have 97% here, 99, and we have 99 and 98%. So just see minor difference when it comes to the blood oxygen level. Okay, so that's it for the heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring. If you want to see the results, you can check here, synchronize your smart band with the support app. Then after that, go to health section and you will see the data here for your heart rate. So we have the maximum 80 beats per minute and the average is 74 beats per minute. Minimum is 70 beats per minute. So we have here the days, the weeks, and the month. So we have here the resting heart rate. For the month, we have the minimum, the average, and the maximum. And we have the graph. The same with the blood oxygen monitoring. Also have here the graph. We have the weeks and the month. We have the lowest and the highest and the average data. So that's it for our demo of the heart rate monitoring of our Xiaomi Smart Band 10 as well as the blood oxygen monitor compared with a fingertip pulse oximeter. On our next video, we are going to compare it with the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe.